you want to start selling on Amazon, it's easy. Just get started with a simple account. Like you're setting up an account to buy things on Amazon like a consumer. Once you do that, once you get that account started, okay, you enter your personal information like your name, your email address, and your passcode, okay, your password, just so you can log into the account, so you can buy things on there, okay. Once you get that started, and then from that same account, with that same account, you're going to start selling on that same account. You're not going to set up a whole new account to sell on there. With that same account, you usually buy from, because they already have your information, your name, your email address, and you got a password to log into that account. So with that same account, you're going to start selling on that account. All right, it's simple and easy. I'm going to show you right now. So right before I do that, I would like for you to subscribe to this channel and like the content after you watch the video, if you like it. Okay, it's very simple and easy. So this video is not gonna be long. It's simple and easy. Just get it going, because you're wasting time if you want to sell on there and you haven't done that. Okay, it's so simple. All right, let's get it. Okay, so Amazon.com. You're going to log it into Amazon.com. Okay, log into Amazon.com. Okay, you go to this area right here. Okay, I've already have an account on here, so I'm gonna do this as a new customer. Okay, I'm not going to sign in. So you don't have an account already, you're just gonna sign up. Okay, mine says sign in because I already have an account. But if you don't have an account already, it will tell you to sign up. Since I've already have an account, I'm not going to sign in. I'm going to just come in here as a new customer. Okay, start here. Oui. Now, when you get here, l'arrivé là, vous mettez nom, vous mettez email address, ok? Et puis vous mettez passcode, vous voulez mettez your password. So you're gonna choose a password, okay? Once you get that simple thing created, okay, and then from there, after you do that, you can start selling. You can go to the next step and start selling on there like this. Okay, now once you have an account with Amazon, when you log into Amazon.com, you sign in, your account, your page is gonna look like this. Okay, your page will look like this. All right, so this is your account, your regular account on here, like you're going to shop on there, like a consumer. You're buying product. You just go and search a product and you buy it. Now, you don't want to just buy on Amazon anymore. You also want to sell on there. Vous voulez vendre sur Amazon. Then you go right here, koto where nola, where you see your name. See my name over here, account and list. And then you go right here where it says start a selling account. Okay? Start a selling account. You're gonna get to this page. Become an Amazon seller. All right? Now you want to sign up. You want to sign up to sell on Amazon. That is that simple. You want to sign up to sell on there. Now once you click on there, they're going to ask you certain information, and you're gonna put them, fill the whole application out step by step by step. and I can show you guys that step in the next video. So that's how you get to start selling on Amazon. So subscribe and follow and share and stay updated with every video I post on here. Okay? Yes. Et comme ça, il est bien facile pour vendre sur Amazon. Pour commencer à vendre sur Amazon. Pour ouvrir your account pour vendre sur Amazon. It's very easy. It's not that hard. Just get it going and follow the step through. Okay? On the next video, I'm going to show you guys into details what to fill out, how to fill out these things step by step by step. If you guys are interested, just leave it in the comment. Tell me if you what do you want to do next. And of course, I'm ka faire vidéo pour nous en créole, I'm ka faire vidéo pour nous en anglais. So my Haitian people, just let me know what you guys want. If you guys want the thing in Creole, I can do that for y'all. Personally, just make a whole video just in Creole for you guys. But I gotta tell you this, the Amazon, if you're here in the States, I don't know where you are, all right? It's gonna be in English. So you wanna be able to navigate these things step by step by step as they ask for your information, okay? So let me know what you want, what you prefer, and I can just stick to what you guys prefer. But I wanna make this content for everyone, okay? Anybody who wants to like get into Amazon and start selling on there. So this video is for everyone, but I can make special requests and make certain videos just in Creole for my people. All right, guys, I appreciate your support. You know, just keep following me, and you guys going to see the journey. So I just got started last month or so, and everything is going well. I'm still doing research, I'm still learning. So you guys can learn with me and follow the road with me, okay? So thank you. If you like this content, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, also give it a thumb down. Any reaction is good. Any feedback is good feedback. Let me know what's up. Peace and love, as always.